An unusual turn of customs, norms and traditions have prevented the burial of 68-year-old Cecilia Peter Bakam, a mother of seven nearly 2 years after her death in Kaduna. Tensions have escalated within the Allahmagani family of Kadia Tudunwada in Bajju Chiefdom, Zangon Kataf local government areas. Disagreements among family members and community elders over burial rites have resulted in a prolonged legal battle. The conflict began shortly after her passing on September 15, 2023, involving her eldest son, Emmanuel Bakam, his sisters, and some community elders. As a result, her remains have remained in mortuary. The first son lamented that he has been unable to view or bury his mother's remains for over a year and 8 months, citing some elders of obstructing the family's wish to bury her beside their father as is customary.
The entire family is sad that a legal battle on Christian virtue has been plucked. This particular attempt to forcefully bury our mother, our late mother, in the sitting room under the guise of the need to bury her beside our late father, we had approached the court. The first court of competence jurisdiction ruled that the body of our mother be released to the family elders for burial. Not satisfied with the ruling, my siblings appealed and the Kaduna State Customary Court of Appeal upheld the judgment of the lower court. But instead of my siblings to obey the court order, they stipulated that the corpse of our mother be released to me, being the next of.
Also, a community elder and stakeholder in Bajju Chiefdom, Elder Sam Allahmagani Bakam, stated that under Bajju customs, only individuals aged 100 years and above can be buried inside a room of family compound parlor. He insisted that burying the 68-year-old woman at home would violate long-standing traditions.
We, the Bajju people, seek the enforcement of our fundamental human rights and obedient to the rule of law based on the United Nations Declaration of the Right of Indigenous People, right to identify, culture, language, and other issues. Equally, I appeal to the police, other security agents, and allow us to give our mother a benefiting burial in accordance with the Bajju tradition as demanded by the elders and affirmed by the judicial pronouncement.
The family has called on the Kaduna State Government and security agencies to intervene in order to uphold traditional practices, prevent violence, and promote peace and unity within both the family and the Bajju community.
These customs and traditions are bound for peaceful coexistence and development. The community should stand put according to the community, according to the tradition, and according to the law, the judiciary, which has approved, have accepted the custom and tradition of that community. Because if we leave the customs and leave the court orders, it means that we are operating in a different level, not by the law. The law is used for keeping peace.